Hello and welcome to each one of you to this new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to write scientific names. So it will be very useful for your competitive exam as well as in your class test. So let's start. Each scientific name usually has like two parts. The first part known as genus and the second part known as species. So here Panthera is the genus and Tigris is the species. Another example, Columba livia. Columba, the first one, known as the genus and the second one is the species. So first thing we keep in our mind, each scientific name must have two parts, like first one is genus, second one is species. Sometimes there are a third part, but now don't focus on that. Only keep in mind there are two parts, like first one genus, second one is species. There are four simple rules for a scientific name. Rule number one, genus always start with a capital letter. Look at this example, Panthera tigris. This is genus, this is species, but here the P is not in a capital letter. That means it is wrongly written. This is the correct way of writing scientific names. P must be capital. So another example, Columba livia. Columba is the genus and the first letter of the genus in capital. Okay, this is wrong example. You know it is in small, so that means it is wrong. Rule number two, species always start in a small letter. Same thing, like here look at species start with a capital letter. So it is wrong. It is also wrong because remember genus must be start with a capital. Okay, so it is completely wrong. And look at this example. Genus start with a capital letter, species with a small letter. That means it has been written in a correct way. Columba livia, small caps, absolutely wrong. This is absolutely right. Rule number two, species start in small letter. Rule number three, there is a gap between genus and species. So this is genus, this is species, there is a gap, there is no gap. That means it is wrong. Same thing, no gap, it is absolutely wrong. Columba livia, there is a gap, that means it has been written in a correct way, but we have to remember the other rule also, like genus start in a capital letter, species start in a small letter, there is a gap. So we have learned three rules. Okay. The fourth rule, scientific name always written in italics. So look at this example, genus capital, species small, there is a gap and it is written in italics, but it is not, so that means it is wrong. Same thing, follow, it is not italics, but you must have one question in your mind. When you are written by your hand, how can you make it italics, right? So instead of making italics, we underline when we written in our notebook. Columba livia must be like, look, one thing, there is gap. Okay, you can't like put a straight line, there must be a gap. Panthera tigris, look carefully, there is a gap. Okay, I hope you have understood this. So four rules. First letter of genus start with capital, first letter of species start with small, there is a gap, scientific name must be written in italics. Okay, so look carefully, this is very easy, just you need to keep in your mind and practice a little bit, you will get full marks. There are 5 examples, so comment below which one is wrong and which one is right. Let's test how have you learned. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do share this video with your friends who need it. Thank you so much.